Hi folks, Kyle here. Before we get into the specifics of the tools that are part of Canvas Studio, I want to show you what I consider to be a little blip associated with Canvas Studio. And in doing this, I got to tell you just a snippet of a story. So long ago, when the first cloud-based video editors came out, there was an application, and I think it still exists, called screencast-o-matic.com. And I used it a long time ago, and it was great as a cloud-based video editor. Well, it had a funny little glitch attached to it about how to edit existing videos that you'd recorded and put on your desktop. And it basically, the process was that you had to start a completely new video and then use the insert function to insert the video that you'd already saved from your desktop. Okay. Fast forward. Instructional, which is the company that owns Canvas, purchased screencast-o-matic.com and the architecture in order to give us the facility of using Canvas Studio. And so that funny little glitch that was a part of that application, back in the day, is still with us today, and I'll be honest with you, is one of the common complaints that Canvas Studio users have about using the editing tools in Canvas Studio when they're trying to edit a previously recorded video. Now, there's a workaround, and I'm going to show you how to do it. And it's a little counterintuitive, but it's actually not hard. That's what this video is about. So why don't we just dive in and get started? This is the video that I want to edit, and it's in my studio library. Now, you would think that to edit it, to open it up, I would just hit this ellipsis video here, and then the editing tools would come up. Now, I can annotate it, but I can't actually get into the guts of it and edit it. So how do I do that? Well, step one, make sure that you have downloaded that video. To do that, you put your cursor over your course card and click View. And then click this little download button, and wherever your computer machine gets its downloads, there will be a copy of that there. Okay. Step 2, press the record button. Step 3, select screen capture. Step 4, wait for the software to load. And I'm up and going. So remember I told you that little story about screencast-o-matic.com. We're going to have to create a completely new video and then insert this previously recorded video. So here's how we do that. We're just going to click the record button. We get the 3, 2, 1 countdown. And now I'm recording, and I only need a few seconds. And so at 5, I'm going to hit pause. Counterintuitively, remember, I click done, and then let me collapse everything so that this is a little easier to see. I'm going to now click the edit button, and that pulls up my editing interface with my stage and my property bar and my timeline. And my playhead is here at the beginning. We can insert the video right there. That's no problem. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to select Tools, Insert, and again, this is something else that I don't really like. You would think intuitively that I'm going to select an existing recording. Well, that would mean an active recording that is saved in a temporary folder somewhere on your machine. So when we use Canvas, right before we were to upload a finished video into Canvas Studio, it actually saves a copy into a secret destination on our machine. And it's sort of like a temporary recording. And then over time, those are deleted. So that's what this is talking about. I don't want a new recording. I don't want one of those secret existing recordings. I want a video, right? And again, let's take a look. Insert video, and here we say, this is to is the tool that I use to insert a video file from my computer. And now I'm going to click it. And so I don't know about you, but it navigates me to captures first. You know, that's fine. I just need to find out where my downloaded video is. I put it in my downloads folder. So here's the downloads. And then this is the course introduction. This is the video that I wanted to upload. So I either click and then hit open or double click to load in the MP4 file. Now, I don't know whether you noticed this or not, but my playhead turned from white to this kind of blue shade, and it's asking me to, you know, do I want to okay this insert that you just commanded me to do? And if so, it's going to insert that video right here, and it's going to push this existing 5-second video off to the right. And yes, this is what I want to do. And so it takes a little bit. And now what we can see is that we can see, if I move my playhead, there's my video that I want to edit, okay? And then all the editing tools that are at my disposal are present here. So I can, this is how I would then edit a previously recorded video. And probably the very first thing that I want to do is, you know, I want to cut and trim off this beginning bit where, again, this is the outline of the audio recording. In video speak, that's called a waveform. And we see there's no audio for the first 5 seconds or so of that video. So I can trim that. And it looks like I have the same problem again, or the same issue. It's not really a problem. Same issue again here at the end. So I'm going to trim that off, right? And again, as Canvas Studio works, anytime that I'm finished completely with my edits, I'm going to click done. And then I'm prompted to enter in a title and a description and upload. As soon as I click the upload button, that's going to begin the Canvas Studio upload process. And again, for short videos, it will only take a minute or two to load your finished video into your Canvas Studio library. So I wanted to make a recording here just to show you what I consider to be that little blip in editing pre-existing video that happened to be on your desktop. How do I open up the editor? How do I get them into the editor so that I can use all the cool Canvas Studio editing tools? And so now that you've done that, you're ready to use all those cool existing Canvas Studio tools, right? See you in the next video.